speed. I was fascinated in my life with the speed of achieving goals. For me, like many professionals, speed was synonymous to progress and growth. With this mindset, I had totally lost my pause button. I had forgotten that there is more to life than just my ambitions. Once life stopped me, I had to learn. Like running that needs its own practice and effort, slowing down needs its own mindset and set of practices. I looked around and asked myself, are all these busy people who are running rather than walking know where they are headed in their lives before they are stopped by life? Join me in this session as we look into how we can build a pause button in our lives before we are stopped by life. Thank you.